Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. We had a small problem at the beginning. The YouTube showed me that uh, I'm not able to stream, so I had to make a new link and start again. Hopefully, now everything is working. Hopefully. Okay. Morning, Catalin. Morning, Stefan. Morning, Catalin again. Hey, Hania. Hey, Ivan. Hey, Sebastian. Let's start with Bitcoin on daily. Not too many things changed from last time, but let's overview. Let's see what we have. So Bitcoin is fighting 100k, short reload zone here. So overall, not bad. Staying there, you can see it's dropping altcoins a little bit. They all pump again. As long as Bitcoin is maintaining that level, all is good. We can pump on altcoins. So for the moment, I'm okay with the range. We had a divergence here. We had the drop in the lower part of the range. We are bouncing back up. Not the worst scenario possible. Bad things could happen anytime. That's why we have all-time high from 2021. I still think we'll retest that level at some point in time. I don't know if now or after the bull market. We never know that. But at any point in time, please think about that level. Yeah. And when you get the FOMO and you think, well, I'll sell my house, imagine that Bitcoin will drop like a hammer to that level. That will keep you in check. That will keep you honest. Okay. So that's Bitcoin on daily. On 4-hour chart, we can go on 4-hour chart a little bit. You can see here, big candle that closed all the way down here. That's not so bullish, honestly. That's incorporated a lot of candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 candles in this one. Key reversal kind of idea. That's not the best one, and we confirmed that one. We tick below it. So overall, we are fighting 100k, but this candle is telling me that, well, maybe we should cool off a little bit. We should wait to see what is happening here this time. Well, indicators are all over the place on 4-hour chart. Nothing we can do with them. Back on daily. Sorry about my voice. I'm a bit cold. My voice is a bit strange. Hopefully, I'll not get worse. Okay, Bitcoin dominance first. We are still in that green scenario for the moment, but the danger is still there. You can see the W here, and this is a W retest. We need to confirm the green scenario. We need Bitcoin dominance to accept below 55. Yeah. Below 55, we can say, well, we'll go lower. Until then, it's kind of 50-50. Could be just a retest of the W, or could be a rejection from 38.2. Let's wait and see what will happen. Good morning, Andre. Yeah. Okay, so that's Bitcoin dominance. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Not too many things changed from yesterday. We dropped in 38.2. Nothing bad with that. First stop. We are bouncing. But again, you want to tell me that this is an uptrend? Take this high. Until then, well, we have a bounce. We have a retracement in 38.2, and we are ranging for the moment. Ethereum versus dollar. It's fighting with $4,000 level and trying to get back in the uptrend channel. $4,000 level, it's a pretty important level for Ethereum. So I could imagine more fight in this area. If something bullish will happen, okay, we can accept above, and once we accept, we can go to the next one, 4,800. But until then, on lower time frame here, this is just a bearish retest of this top. If you go on 4-hour chart and you draw the top and you draw a short reload zone, you are in the short reload zone. So extra careful there. Don't be, well, we'll go to the moon. I don't know about that. Okay, total market cap, similar. Yeah? Short reload zone here if we are thinking the last drop. Total tree, well, it's a bit weaker than the total for the moment. We still didn't close daily candle above the 1.1 trillion. Let's go on weekly. What the fuck I am doing here? Okay. No, not okay. Well, something like this. I need the market to close above this level. Close above 1.1 and then we can discuss. Until then, it's not officially bull market on total tree or altcoin season, call it whatever you want. Now, I deleted something here. I think I did. I think I deleted something. I don't have everything here. Or I moved the total tree somewhere else. Anyway, idea is that after we'll close and we'll retest this high on total tree, I think we can push a lot higher. So either will happen now in December at the end of the year, either will happen in January, February, but after we'll accept and maybe even retest as a support, then we can push really nice. If you don't think is the case, just look here. Okay, let's look at this one. It's just an example. This was the high, close above. Well, we closed above, we retested 1-2 weeks, and look what happened after that. Okay, so we more than doubled here in a couple of weeks. So expect kind of the same scenario after we'll close above and we'll retest this support. For the moment is the resistance. So let's wait until then. Altcoins here on weekly, well, you can see everything or almost everything is on red, but not deep enough for us to get a feel. We are kind of stuck. If we have a feel, we should be patient because it's a weekly W retest and we should wait a couple of months until we'll see the results. If we don't have a feel, nothing we can do. We should wait with the limit orders there. Yeah. So we don't have a feel for the moment. On this one, for example, another on this one, here, yeah, you can see we got close, but not close enough. I'll do something else. I'll FOMO in here. No, I'll wait. Hopefully everyone has acceptable bags. If we'll get that retest, a proper retest, we can load even more. If not, well, so be it. We have enough. That's my thinking. Now, let's go on lower time frame and see what we have. Like I said, 1 hour, 4 hour chart. We are still fighting the so-called white line. It's not a white line, it's just a bit below 100k, and you can see the market loves to take this level as a support or resistance. It's fighting here. So, if the market will manage to push higher, okay. But for the moment, if we'll go on 4 hour chart, I don't like this candle, like I said. This candle means something. And I don't like what this candle is telling me. For me to think bullish and strong again, I need to see that candle covered entirely with the wick, with everything. Until then, looking at the range, looking at the short reload zone, looking at the white line, I'm thinking, well, it's not so strong and we can drop here. If we'll drop here, you can see we have some orders waiting. I have the mountain man and I have the shark. I'm just waiting. I should adjust a little bit here. I think so, because we have a higher high and we are a bit different. You can adjust your orders. I will do it after the live stream. So this will be the mountain man, and this will be the shark. Not too much difference, but if we are professional, we should adapt and adjust the orders exactly like the market tells us. So I'll play on the long side. I'll play the mountain man and I'll play the shark. Here, nothing I can do. I said yesterday, well, you can take the shark short. Well, we had even an SFU of this level. We took that level and we dropped. If you took that trade here, then you should make it a risk-free position. That's the best advice I could give you. Trump bought a lot of Ethereum. Well, I don't know about if it's not. He has a plan with Ethereum if he bought it. I don't think he likes Ethereum to collect him. Has a plan or knows something we don't know, Bokor. You cannot compare his info with our info. We are looking at the news, we are looking at the chart. He's looking inside of some teams. So his info are better than us. His info are 10 times better than us. So if he was buying, that's another bullish reason. Okay, don't compare Trump with Michael Saylor. Okay? So that's Bitcoin on 4-hour chart. Let's put the list back on and see what we have. I got stopped out here on Ethereum. On Bitcoin on 5-minute chart, you can see. Made some money. I cannot complain. It's 2 to 1. Book some profit. I'm waiting for the next one. Not the best trade, but not the worst. I made money, so nothing to complain. We had chill guy, some news, some not so chill news that someone got hacked, and I tried to find something to find a trade. I find something, but on the short side, so I said no, fuck it, I'll just leave it alone. Ripple, you can see it here. Took our stop loss, and we have to wait for another one. Or you can go back on 5-minute chart and start hunting again. But still, we don't have an uptrend with Holy Grail, so we should stay the fuck out. People, if 5-minute chart doesn't give me with Holy Grail an entry, I'll stay out. No? I'll stay out. No, I'll just wait. If I don't have a micro trend on 5-minute chart, it's better for me to just cool off, sit out, and wait for a clear trend. Well, Hania, let's take a look after I'll finish with the lower time frame here. So that's it means to cool off my engines here, to stay out when I see the market going sideways. Okay, Bitcoin, I said it. Let's say Ethereum here. No? If we are still long, we should stay the fuck long. Don't fuck around with the trade. Some people told me, well, I'm long gone. Well, it's your business. Why you are out completely from this trade, I don't get it. Hit your stop loss. What happened? I tell you what some people did. Market sold. Well, it's in profit. Let's take the profit. Okay. It's up to you. Give me a new entry. I don't have one. I'm a short reload on here. I could see more range. I could see it's ugly. If you want a new entry with on Ethereum, 50-minute chart with Holy Grail. It's that simple. I prefer to keep this one. Now let's see what Hania is saying. Lower time frame, nothing special. Let's wait more and let's see what Bitcoin will do at that level. Hania is asking about hype. I didn't even knew that we had an airdrop, Hania, so sorry. Hype. Well, on weekly, they started at $10, now we're at $17. And this environment, Hania, I'm not saying to sell your house. I'm not saying to put more than 0.5 or 1%. But it's Bible what I see here on weekly. Why? The environment is too bullish. And if you remember from the last cycle, at the launch, market pumped and dumped usually. And what was launched in the hype, in the all-time highs, pumped from the start, and you never get a second chance. So getting a position here, not too big, not to break your account, but getting a position on the new coins that they are launching now is not a bad idea. I'll tell you what I did. If you know this one from yesterday, I just managed to get here in the lows. I managed to get a position. I'm staying there. If we'll go to zero, go with me. But if we'll pump and we'll do 10x, 100x, he'll have to do it also with me. So getting a position in the new launches, it's a must now in this environment, because you don't get that consolidation now. You'll get a drop, quick drop, because initial people will take some profit, or some people will panic, or they'll be too greedy and they'll take the profit. They made a 5x here, well, it's enough. And the market will consolidate and push higher and higher without giving us a 61.8, for example, a long reload zone. Market will push so high, and then when we'll come back in the long reload zone, we have to think about, I still want that back, or I don't want it anymore. So let's hunt the launches and listings that they are strong. They have communities. They are not meme coins. Even meme coins are bullish, but you get the idea. So when you get something like this, you should take the high, you should take the low, and you should put the long reload zone here. And if you saw that retracement, take it. Let's zoom in, because we don't have anything here with the indicators. We need 1 day, best 4-hour chart to see something. Yeah, okay, nothing here. Let's put 4-hour chart. Well, nice and clean OBV. We got in the overbought here and got rejected. Well, nothing bad. Getting a bag here is not a mistake, honey. That's a good idea, and you can hunt this level also. A bit lower, you can see $17, $14. This is the 4-hour initial W that did this pump. Like I have here, yeah? Is making the W, and I'm waiting for the pump. Yeah. So every new launches will behave approximately like this one. Pump. Some people will dump, will consolidate really fast, and then explode higher. If you get something like this, well, okay, buy it, because you don't know when you'll get the second chance. Like I said, 0.5. Don't put too much money in a new coin. You don't know what will happen. If it's really bullish, a 0.5 with 100x should give you a nice profit. This is my 2 cents. I'm expecting this one to pump here. No. Classically, as you can see, this is a pump and dump. Usually we get something like this on this one. We'll get a lot of chop here. Maybe pushing a bit lower in and then we can think about again hunting. But talking levels, and it's a nice one. Let's put it on the list and maybe buy some. People, I'm not a financial advisor, so remember that. Just my 2 cents. Okay, let's draw the level correctly. So buying this one is it's okay. This one now, I don't know if you want to buy it here. On KuCoin looks a bit different. Let's see. Why I don't have a chart on this one? Anyway. CoinEx. Yeah, that's a different one. I don't have that one yet. Anyway, that's my thinking about the market. We'll fight 100k multiple times. People are waiting. Well, we'll go to the moon. Not that easy. Not that easy to take the 100k level. Well, it's big, fat, round number. Will be a lot of fights here. Yeah, we can do an SFU. Yeah, if we'll do an SFU, let's play the SFU. We'll go back in the long reload zone. Let's attempt to long it. Playing a trade here or in the middle of the range, not the best idea. If you are here to make money, if you are here just to have a trade in the market, just to feel that you are a trader, well, good luck with that. Why I didn't play the 78.6 here? Well, because I already have one. A free position. I don't want to break that. That's the best position possible. It's free and it's there. Why I should bother doing something else? That means I should stay the fuck out more? I'll do that. You saw yesterday that launch? I got scammed. One Solana. Well, was my fault. I cannot complain. I made more profit yesterday than one Solana. But I learned a lesson with only one Solana. Nothing bad with that. If I'll do it again, I'm stupid. Dione on Maxi. Let's take a look. Why not? Well, you have a location. You had a W, a deep retest. I think we'll consolidate even more, but dollar cost averaging, Pip, yeah, it's okayish. It's okayish to dollar cost average, but correct dollar cost average. Little old lady, yeah. I see a setup on weekly there? No. We had a W, we had a breakout, deep retest, too deep in my opinion. Let's see daily. Well, you can see a setup forming here. So, because you are on daily, you can do something else. You'll say, well, this was the W breakout retest. Then draw another long reload zone here. There you go. Here in the long reload zone, on the second reload zone here, if you see a W, Bible, if you want a setup. So if you see something like this, if you see the W here, okay, take it. But wait for a W, preferably in the long reload zone or maybe even here at 78.6. That will be a gift. That will be something nice. I don't see a setup to buy there, but if you want to dollar cost average and you say, well, fuck it, I see that is in a big long reload zone, I like it, I know that fundamentally it's good, will probably pump like hell in the next move, so let's dollar cost average. How I can dollar cost average now? Monthly? Well, I think is not enough. Daily? Well, I think is too much. Well, on weekly basis, every week you buy a small amount. Until you reach your position size you wanted on this one. So let's say you wanted to buy 2% of your account to invest in this one. Well, you split that 2% in, I don't know, 7-10 weeks, and you buy every week at the same hour, at the same fucking day of the week. Monday at 12, you buy a little bit of Dione. When you finish buying and you have your position, put your hands under your ass and wait. You can dollar cost average if you want to use little old lady. Well, decide a level, and I think a retest of this W is good enough. Okay? Decide on this level or a level, don't market buy. Put a level here, and put an order here, and calculate the position size because you don't have a stop loss. You'll reach to 0. So if this one will go to 0, I'll lose 1% from my trading account. Okay. Put the position size, put the limit order here. You don't need a stop loss, just a limit order buy, and that's it. With little old lady, you should sell half on a double. When this one is reaching the double level, you sold half, you get your money back, and ride the rest of the position to Valhalla. Simple as that. What we are doing here is not complicated. Emotionally, it's hard to do because we want to do something else. We say that we want to make money, and actually we want to be right. We want to have emotions and things like that. But it's not rocket science. It's not something difficult. Okay. If I can do it, everyone here can do it. So that's my thinking about Dione. How you spell it. Sorry about the misdirection with the link, people. Just on YouTube Studio, they told me that the live stream is not available, so I had to start over again. But people who really want to see my ranting on every morning, well, will find the link. Hit the like button if you want. Don't look at the comments in the video because I see a lot of scammers. They are posting. I noticed there are 4 or 5 in every fucking video. They are posting some traps there with some recovering phrase. Don't put them on. Don't try to check that wallet. It's a trap. Don't be greedy. Don't be ugly. Just ignore the messages. And on Discord is similar. You can see we don't have too many new people, good people. We have more scammers than real people. So I have to kick them out. Kick them out. Yeah, free money, Stefan. Go and pick them up. You'll have to probably load some Ethereums to have for the fees. But that's another problem. Anyway. Idea is to behave like a professional, people. We are in easy mode. We should make money, but with patience, with plans. Don't if you have a bag, something else is pumping, your bag is not pumping, don't sell that bag to buy what is pumping. It's the wrong way to do that. UT Yeah, I noticed that one was pumping. To the moon. Let's put the weekly chart. Yeah, that's the last one. Well, was about the fucking time for this one to pump. This one I think it was called differently in the past. Or anyway, doesn't matter. I don't see the weekly W, that's for sure, but we can pump. You have a bag from 0006. Well, when it hits 0012, sell half on a double, Catalin. Okay? If you reach sell half on a double, if you bought with little lady, sell half on a double. Let it run as much as it wants. When it comes back down in long reload zone, reload. That's my thinking. We don't have the weekly W, we can form one and look left. And 2021, you can see the W, breakout, retest, and bye-bye. Probably similar happened here. We had some news or something, that's why it's pumping. The pumps in the news don't last too much, but we can form a weekly W here. Yeah. They changed the name, they did something yesterday. Idea is if you bought at 6 and you can sell at 12, you got the sell half on a double level already. If you pump again, my advice is to sell half on a double. Why? You will get a free position. Your money back in your account and a position to ride as high as you can. This is my 2 cents. I don't see that weekly W, that's for sure. So we can be volatile here. We can do a lot of things. We can pump, we can dump. But I prefer to see that weekly W, then to see the breakout, then to see the retest, and I don't see anything like that. But after you reach the free position, you don't care anymore. It's free, you can stay there and wait. That's the last one, people. It's kind of boring market, but not necessarily bad. You have time to recheck your wallets to see if you have everything set up, how much money you still have to invest, and if the limit orders are still good, and so on. Yep. Okay. That being said, it's Friday, so take it easy. In the weekend I'll be around, so if I'll see something special I'll post. If not, see you Sunday in the weekly crypto review. If you are a premium member, we still have the New York session later in the day. Okay, let's call it a live stream. See you guys next time. Bye bye.